Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Facebook. So let's get started. Let's go to the Facebook application. Tap on the Facebook app to open it. Here we are on the Facebook homepage. To create a poll, let's go to your Facebook profile and tap to open it. From all shortcuts, open Facebook groups. If we look at the top, we have 4 pages. Open your groups from here. If you create a group, that will be shown here. You can follow the same procedure to create a poll for your own group. I will select a group from others. Here we have to create a post. Simply tap on the Write Something box. Like this interface will be open. Here, enter some text. And now, tap on these 3 horizontal dots. A menu bar pop up on the screen. If you scroll down, you can see the poll option in this menu. Tap to open it. On this page, we have 2 poll options. Edit these options according to your needs. And then on the top, tap on Done. A poll is successfully created. Once you are all done, tap on the post. Scroll down the page, and here we can see a poll is successfully created. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.